faith and be strong, 'cause through it all I've been blessed. I faced my fears and I passed the test. So when you look up in the sky on a sunny day, imagine me just drifting away. I'll be sailing on the ships of heaven. When the tide rolls out for the last time, you'll find me sailing on the ships of heaven. Wait for the day I come sailing back to you. Remember all the times we had. Some were great, some were sad, but you know that in the end our love was stronger than when we began.